Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at Tesla stock. So, quite a big sell-off on the market side today for across the board, guys. It's just not that Tesla is selling off. In the post-market, it's $2 up. That sounds great, but from the lens of technicals is what we'll be taking a look at, because so far it has been in the bearish structure already. And if you have seen my video over the weekend that I did, I talked about why $203 with 200 days moving average is so important. We'll take a look at again why so. And with that, let's begin. But before everything else, I want to show you my new bot. This takes positions on both long and the short side, and you can see results are great as well. Data is on the left side of the table here. Now, this will be released soon. So, but if you want to join in early with and have access to my other tools already, other bots and tools, links to my tools are in the description below. If you happen to join this week, when this bot is about to release this week, and you will be able to get into the same pricing. Otherwise, there's a likely possibility that starting next week, prices of the memberships will go up. So your choice, but again, use them only for education purposes. However you want to use it, it's up to you. I provide them under education use only. All right, so Tesla, starting off with the technicals here. Now, this was the area, the zone of 203 pretty much I talked about. This is very important for Tesla. If it can hold above it, that's good. But otherwise, yeah, if we lose it, $185 was the area I talked about. And we pretty much opened down there, and then market was really bad in the morning. But taking a look at the weekly interval is what I want to bring your attention to, is why this is bad that we have lost this $200 area, right? It's because we lost 200 days moving average, and also this inverted head and shoulder neckline that we have lost it, right? So that's a problem. Now, structure on the bullish side will only start to come again, like from here, if Tesla closes tomorrow above $202 or 203 or above 200 days moving average. If Tesla can regain this tomorrow and close above it, there is some potential. Otherwise, no. Tesla continues to stay in the downtrend, and right now, at least for now, the leg has happened already of this downside continuation. Now, this rebound that came today, the question is that, is the strong rebound enough? Well, it's pretty much from here. If we get above 203 tomorrow, it's an upside play. But are we seeing sign of that? So let's go to the hourly interval. Now, one good thing that I'm seeing on the hourly interval is that when price rebounded on Tesla, even though it's rejecting into that blue box below $203 levels, precisely below 20 hours moving average as well. But at the same time, I'm seeing when it's coming down, it's finding this pivot again. So it all comes down to, if Tesla can get above 203 tomorrow, it can go intraday up. So that would be around $214 then possibly, or we'll see, until at least 50 hours moving average. And then otherwise, if we stay below the blue box and we start cracking lower, then it can come down to 191 tomorrow again. That's also a possibility. And then we'll see what it does. But yeah, but those are the levels to watch for Tesla. Overall structure continues to stay in the downtrend. It's all about, can this rebound continue and make it bullish? And right now, I'm not seeing the price action in the bullish side, but I provided you the levels to watch. If on intraday some strength has to come, it has to happen above 203. Yeah, otherwise, yeah, if we continue to reject into this blue box, yeah, then I don't expect though Tesla losing tomorrow 185 again. But yes, if we reject blue box again, we may come down to at least $191 area, and then we'll see if it tries to find a support here. But eventually, structure will only start to change if we get above 203. All right, that's Tesla, guys. I talked about SPY and QQQ with the tech stocks already, but since now market has closed, I just want to show you around again. So what I talked about with SPY and QQQ was, well, the tech stocks on SPY and QQQ is, SPY is not looking good unless it gets above 524. If SPY stays below 524 and it starts to go sideways, consolidates and gets weakened enough, And then if we lose 200 hours move, sorry, 200 days moving average, this may start to look and head and shoulder pattern. And that is bad for a longer term. Then that just then makes market very bearish. And I don't want to say this level right now, and but then we might be looking at, let's adjust my indicator a little bit, and then we might be unfortunately looking at, if we lose 200 days moving average and if we lose 493, then we are looking at 459. That's very bad, right? So on the downside. So that's SPY, and just want to talk about QQ as well. It's a very similar fashion, just how we have SPY. Market is a little bit up in the post market, like QQ 2.38 up, and what was SPY? Just merely $1.35 up. So well, with QQQ 437 is, yeah, still nothing much, but yeah, QQQ, if from here it can't get above 448 and we start to see a lot of rejection here and then eventually losing this 200 days moving average. Similarly, QQQ will be in a lot of trouble and then it opens up the door to maybe 387. That is bad, right, guys? Bad, bad, bad. At least for the bulls. But for the bears, you are already making your money. Take partial profits out in these extensions though, all right? So that's that. I'm not quite sure what to make out of this article. It's funny. A bear market is not a recession. How to understand what's going on? Well, I don't, whatever. Doesn't matter. Any article they'll make. Um, so, yeah, well, since the video is about Tesla, it's not looking good, guys. It's not looking good. Tesla is not, and it's not going to look good if you are not able to regain within a day or two 203. All right, if Tesla can't regain this level, it's getting bad. It's not looking good. All right, so that was the area we lost it. It's a very big sentiment shift as well. It's tomorrow, if we can get above it, sure. If we can't, we can't, then it's bad. Tesla price target maintained with 245 per share by Cantor Fitzgerald. That's that. All right, guys, and Elon Musk sues OpenAI again. Altman broke man for prioritizing profits over public welfare. Tesla CEO Elon Musk filed a lawsuit against OpenAI, its co-founders, Gregory Brockman and CEO Sam Altman, accusing them of prioritizing profits over public welfare. Can't speak, can't read today. The lawsuit reportedly seeks to divest Microsoft-backed OpenAI co-founders their ill-gotten gains, as OpenAI was built as a non-for-profit. Elon Musk is having hard time letting it go. Yeah, I think he is having hard time letting it go. He's again again, it's human nature, thing that you were part of and now you are not part of it, but that thing has taken off without you. You feel left behind, and one part of human nature is, either just accept it, and the other side is that, the just trying to bring it down, right? Because the person just don't want to let it go. But anyways, yeah. Anyway, well, that's it, guys, for this video. All right, I'll see you in my next videos. Take care. Bye.